Mail marketing's advantages. 1. The first advantage of email marketing is that if you have just launched your website and are receiving a few hundred visitors, but are having trouble turning them into real customers, email marketing will assist you. Many websites already have sign-up forms, which they use to collect visitors' email addresses. You can communicate the importance of your company to your customers over time and build good relationships by sending emails to your audience. 2. Emails assist businesses in increasing their visibility. For example, if you send useful information to your customers, they will choose to share it with their friends or colleagues, resulting in more people learning about your company. You may inspire your subscribers to forward your email by including a call to action asking them to do so. This is a simple way to get your brand in front of more people and expand your scope. 3. One of the advantages of email marketing is that it will help you boost website traffic. For example, when sending emails to your subscribers, you can include links that will direct them back to your website. And don't forget to include a call to action. Emails can drive people back to your website because you know what content they enjoy and can give them links to that content. By directing them back to your website, you keep your brand in front of their minds while also motivating them to purchase your goods and services. 4. Emails are used to advertise goods and services. For example, many clothing apps now use emails to manipulate customers by displaying discounts, highlighting how much time is left for the discount, and even adding extra credit to the pocket. As a result, traffic becomes potential clients, who then become consumers or action takers. 5. Emails are an excellent way to build consumer loyalty and advocacy. Using customer testimonials or feedback, as well as listening to what people say about your brand on Facebook and Twitter, is a perfect way to show how much you care about your followers. At least once a week, I'm asked, what email platform should I use in my business? There were just a few email marketing software companies when I first started, but the possibilities now seem limitless. Constant Touch, MailChimp, Aweber, Modmimi, ConvertKit, GetResponse, ClickFunnels.